In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up Google credentials inside n8n. With this method, you can connect any Google app, be it Gmail, Google Sheets, Google Drive, or Google Calendar. To begin, open any Google node inside n8n, select this drop-down, click Create New Credential. As you can see, we are prompted to enter a client secret and a client ID. So let's scroll up and click Open Docs. Inside Open Docs, the n8n documentation contains the link to the Google Cloud console. Click Google Cloud. Make sure you are logged in inside your Google app. If you are logged in, click Console. Inside Console, create a new project. To create a new project, click on the top left corner, click New Project. Give your project a name. In this case, let's just say n8n demo. Click Create. Project has been created. We need to select the project. So let's select the project here. Now we are inside our project called n8n demo. Now that we have selected our project, we need to enable all the APIs that we want to use. Inside the project dashboard, click the navigation menu on the top left corner. Go to APIs and Services and click Enabled APIs and Services. Inside Enabled APIs and Services, we are going to enable every kind of API that we want to enable. In that case, let's click Enable APIs and we're going to search for any APIs. In that case, let's search for Google Sheets and hit Enter and click on the Google Sheets API, enable that API. Just like that, you can also search for any other kind of API that you want to enable. If it's Google Drive, just search for Google Drive. If it's Gmail, just search for Gmail. Now that we have enabled the Google Sheets API, move over to the navigation menu at the left top corner, and hover over the APIs and Services. Click OAuth consent screen. Click Get Started. Now we need to give name to our application. Let's just say n8n demo again. Support email, we're going to use the one email, the very same email. Click Next. We're going to make the app external. Click Next. And for the contact email, let's use the very same email we are using. Click Next. Select that and continue. Click Create. Now let's move over to the audience so that we need to be able to test the application. To do that, let's scroll down and select Add Users and add the email, your same email that you're going to be using. You can add as many emails as you want. Click Save. The audience is added. To finish, click Clients. On top of the page, click Create Client. Choose the application as web application and give it a name. Let's just say app, n8n app. We need to add the authorized redirect URIs. Click Add URI. To get the URI, we need to go back to n8n and get this OAuth redirect URL. Click on it to copy and move back and paste it inside the import box. Scroll down and click Create. Now the OAuth client has been created and we have been presented with a client ID. You can copy it and paste it on a secret place. In this case, I'm going to copy it and paste it somewhere. That's my client secret. And I'm going to copy my client ID and paste it somewhere as well. So let's head back to n8n. Inside n8n, all I need is to copy the client secret and paste it inside secret. At the very same time, copy the client ID that you got and paste it inside the client ID. After everything, scroll down and click Sign in with Google and click the email that you want to test with. Click Continue. Select everything and continue. And the connection is successful. Head back. You can also rename this credential to just say Google One and hit Save. Now you have connected n8n with Google Sheets. With the client ID and the client secret, you can connect Gmail, Google Drive, or Google Maps, or Google Calendar. Like and subscribe for more.